ask me anything about the utility or the DeFi, because DeFi does not have no restrictions than versus traditional banking. I'm telling you, DeFi, it cuts out the middleman. Your own bank, you got your own keys, your own security, but you got to be careful where you connect and where you put your information out to other entities that may try to ask for information. You never give out your keys or your passwords to anybody with your particular wallet. And you can create multiple wallets with money where you can move around money anywhere. As long as you're not doing nothing illegal, you can move money, I'm talking about anywhere across the globe. No restrictions. And that's, sometimes, you got banks that are open on a certain time versus DeFi in your wallet. You may have 50 grand or whatever, how much money. If you want to buy the property, you don't have to call the bank. You can do the transaction right there on the spot. Everything is verified on the blockchain, the transparency. They can't manipulate the blockchain, and you can get property, you can move stuff, you can send money. I'm talking about anywhere. And that's the beauty of DeFi versus the bank. And the banks are losing this grip off of those that want to do more than their money, because a very long time, banks been leveraging our money. You got a lot of money in the bank, but they're giving you, they're trading off of your own money, getting yields, giving you peanuts of yearly interest on a regular savings account. And that's ridiculous. And they've been doing this for years. Banks is not going to make you rich at all. You got to find places like this and other areas where you can build your wealth in astronomical numbers, where it may took 15, 20 years, and you can do it in a matter of 24 hours. DeFi, I was in a few liquidity pools where I put, I believe it was $20, and within an hour gained about, $10, $20 of interest. I was getting the money right back of what I invested. I'm talking about a liquidity pool where a coin was dipping hard, but even while that coin was dipping, I was gaining off of the earner fees off of those that were buying, selling hard, or selling, buying, trading. I was collecting the earner fees, the rewards, and I cashed it. And I did this multiple times, and you could, and right now as we speak, DeFi, a lot of people are making a lot of money off of the liquidity pool. Well, it's no different when you're parking money in DeFi. You're collecting money. Your money is not sitting. You're collecting off of the fees, which is powerful, man. I'm like, is this real, God? And God's like, yes, it is. I've seen individuals within weeks, 5 figures, 6 figures, depending on what the utility and projects, and they just park their money. And this is their living day. They don't have to go to work, man. They do this stuff for fun, but they're enjoying it and they're doing what they're called to do.